One of the requirements of Lean is to link processes together. By doing this, you avoid the waste of overproduction, as well as reducing the need to spend excessive amounts of time planning production and figuring out what's next. In highly repetitive processes, this requirement should be like clockwork. Your production planning should work with relatively little thought and planning on the things that just churn repeatedly. So how do we link processes together? Well, one of the tools to do this is through Kanban. Kanban stands for visual trigger. It's a tool to allow you to replenish only what you've just consumed, and to do it in a visual and easily understood way. In Kanban, when one element of a process takes a product from the previous process, it signals to that step to make more of what's just been consumed. The simplest Kanban is in the form of a visual card. The card displays what the product is and also how much to resupply. Downstream in the process, when the product is taken, the Kanban card is then placed on the supplying process, telling them to make more of what's just been consumed. There's no discussing out things and figuring things out. It's a simple visual trigger to show what needs working on next and when. This concept of Kanban allows you to control the amount of work produced between the two processes and therefore links them together. Simple, yet very powerful. And in the right environment, this concept can be used for all of your regular moving products and therefore ensures that what's being produced is for only what's being consumed and no more. Here are some simple steps to get you started. Identify the products that your business regularly processes. Define how many should be processed every week or day. Create Kanban cards to link into this daily or weekly demand. And use Kanban to control the daily or weekly output rather than forward planning and forecasting. By using a well-designed Kanban system, you'll always have the right part in the right place when you need it. And call us at TXM to find out how to implement Kanban in your business. I'm Lee Candy. Thank you for watching this TXM Lean Minutes.